Ada ko show. 5 menit tong, 10 menit tong na yan.
Central government is denied. Central government is refused to listen to our voice of Christ of Ikasa. Our Father to Indonesia give all my existence. Tahu di Ikasa Ikasa di India independence. The longest leaders previously had contributed for independence of our country. We know these people. We always introduce ourselves that we are proud of our country. Once upon a time, our democracy was known for extremism. Even more for extremism. But the government of India never tried to know why the people of Tripura can join extremists. Government of India never tried to know why these young principals leaving their families behind them into a bed of jungle.
সবাই না ভালো ভালো আপনার জেট সিমেন্ট
our protection, but not mentioned in return. Government of India has never paid attention to our crime. Therefore, forcing you to
बाद में पाओगे तुम लोग
we are bound to form connections. We are bound to form several times the organization, the Anchalik Party, the regional party, to fight for our rights against the government of India. The Constitution of India is being framed. It is written in all colors, all religion. We are equal. We are equal. But though the Constitution says that we are equal for in our country, irrespective of all tribes. But we are divided. We are equal. We are bound to response to our crime is the really considered that we the Pasas of their citizens. It is their responsibility to take care of their citizens.
गाड़ी रख दिया अंदर में होगा सब नॉट गेट अंदर में
चले जाता है मैं चले जाता
Dan lain terakhir kembali si buku Nolirian IM IDC Hari Sintabo Tai bus kami program Tangan Segang Sound Isan aham cek hari. Let's check the sound. Ayang no tongayong kurang dekna. Yang di borok kurang kaham dekna sound. Aku balik ke dekna. Orang kisah kelima lagi di kelima itu dulu kan. Awak sound tiga ke? Tolong ke? Korang ke kelaka? Hansai korang ke kelaka? Yang mana? Yang apa ke kelaka? Cek, cek. Tahu buku lima bro. Tak ngomong. Menurut kisah sudah bak. Kerja kerja. Bukan finalis sekarang. Sunod kilo sampai beli orang nangan. Halo. Kena tahu? Jadi jatuh tidak boleh. Dan tiada satu jatuh hari kata ni. Dukuk sang, kemana dalam timai yang dijongkan? No, tidak bakal lihat pada ni bagai kabar kubai babak jangan. Timai yang dijongkan, tidak pilih pangeran no. Jangan karena ni bagai kabar babak jangan. Ket patah gurau ni jongkan. Hari kata ni di pasar aku ket buku. Ini ni je program no. Grand success finally jago telah berjaya no. Dan mat bisiwa kabai. Jadi boleh kita finally sekarang. Dan mat bisiwa kabai. Jeng ekdom pokok lain produk kali bagai. Dan boleh kabai kumai kabel jamu. Hambai. Tarik kaisa saklai mo. Sini diri ni guys. Meghalaya ni Chief Minister Bobo Airport Land Thaiga. Tarik. Sini outstanding guest of all the sampai tongka borong yang makromde mama May I now request Ajay Edward JK, Manlowo Kikom JK, Ramchandra Singh JK, Manlowo Kikom JK. May I now request Ajay Edward sir, the founder and president, Indian Gurkha Janashakti Front Gurkha Land Darjeeling, to please come on the stage. Ji volunteer bolong stage of Bhai, Risa Bhai, Kapono, felicitation Thainani Bagai, no Koizao. And I also take this privilege to request Sri R.K. Megan Sam, senior leader Manipur, who sacrificed all his life fighting for the people of Tripura, to please come on the stage. And I request the volunteers to kindly come and felicitate them. May I also take this opportunity to request Sri Hemachandra Singh sir, the former Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly, former Minister, Government of Manipur, and five-time MLA. Let's give them a big round of applause. Along with the volunteer and Suraj Debrama, the white deer president. All of you are requested to come on the stage along with the volunteer club. Please come. Sudut Prasasana Ayuga Kriya Sara North East Thansa Ka Bazarai Thansa Ayug Lokta Thansa Ayug Lokta Bumada Ayug Lokta North East Ayug Lokta What North East Lokta Demonstrate what North East Ayug Lokta please come and pay a tribute to our late brothers here on the stage. Mama Gandhi! Mama Gandhi! Hansa Ayuloto! Forest का आपका स्लोगन लगाएं Hansa Ayuloto! Hansa Ayuloto!
Ôi từ gì lên